Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Let's Play RC. Today we got a special little surprise coming up. This is Sunday's recording. It is Father's Day, so we want to wish all the fathers out there Happy Father's Day. You probably won't see this video till Tuesday, but Happy Father's Day. Hope you all had a fantastic day. So stay tuned to see what's happening.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get something which is up my sleeve. It's a little present. So happy Father's Day, Dad.
I'm excited. I've wanted one of these since I saw them, and so I guess we're doing an unboxing. Hey guys, you've seen UDRs before. Everybody's seen them, but you haven't seen them on our channel because this is the first one.
Yep.
So I guess I can rip into her.
Yes,
Let's show them what's going on.
Get right into it.
Can you guys hear that cellophane? Brand new Traxxas. If you guys have watched videos of us unboxing before, I have this tendency to smell the new truck, and it's kind of strange, but maybe I can go this video without smelling. This box is big. I'm almost covered up by the...
Do you want me to slip the tape over here, or you want to slip it?
I'll do it right here. It's a nice box, well done. You can see exactly what's in here. And I think we're going this way.
Yep. That'd be the way to go.
There's styrofoam.
With the remote.
You guys have seen many unboxings, so we don't need to get too silly about it.
No.
There's the remote.
It's just a normal Traxxas remote. The normal one.
See if I can get it out without throwing it on the ground.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Get the steering wheel on it.
Oh.
It's falling
The
off.
little foamy slid off from the styrofoam was holding it. That's why.
Yep.
Okay. She's good.
Okay.
This is the important part though, right? Oh,
Yes.
hold on, look it. And there's the
That's not the
manuals
important. Not the important.
and the tools. So that's that.
This is the important part.
This is the important part?
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
You think you should? Quick.
No.
Yes.
Hey, look it. I can pull it out without the plastic. No, I can't. Oh, it's upside down. Let's flip it over. Flip. And flip. Alright.
Now.
Oh ho ho ho!
That's a nice
That
picture.
orange is absolutely fantastic.
There's nothing else in
Look
here
at the
for you.
size of that truck. That is beauty.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Did you get rid of the box?
Yes.
Okay.
There's nothing else in there.
Cool.
I checked.
Okay, what else do you guys want to see? I don't want to see anything. Can we just go play or what?
No, let's take the body.
Oh, okay. So there's
You did
what,
all
like
ours.
12 screws to
Yes,
take out to take the body
exactly
off. Okay, well go ahead.
Okay.
So to get to the inside there,
That's on.
there's 12 screws that come out, but the ESC turn-on switch is right here. Two really cool usable spare tires, a replaceable and usable drive shaft. Gorgeous. I think this is like a 1/7 scale, I believe they're calling it, and it is scaled detailed truck with some cool details and stuff here. Okay, so Dylan's just going to take off the body to show you guys. Like I said, probably many of you have seen the UDR unboxing. It's one of the coolest, newest toys from Traxxas. So there's probably tons of videos out there. In fact, I know there is because I've seen a few of them. But like I said, you haven't seen one from Let's Play RC. We don't want to sit here all day and go over things, but we are going to rip these screws out quick. So we may fast forward or cut through a lot of this.
Do you want to help me turn this around? It's a little bit heavy and I don't want to hurt your truck or anything when it's brand new.
I absolutely love this Fox body. It is gorgeous. So when you're taking off this here, you want to slide the body all the way over for the top to come out. Slide it all the way back this way, and then you turn it up and slide the other bumper out. And there you go. There's the body. Beautiful roll cage, which is going to help for durability. Your little guys in here for more scale feature look. Your racers,
heads.
yeah, their helmets turn. You guys can see in the camera here the dual shock system, adjustable, front and rear. And yeah, look at the travel on this. That's amazing. You guys see in this camera up here, the travel. That's a beauty. Okay, let's flip. Oh, so the scale details here on the back.
Put this away and close it.
Fire extinguishers here. I'm not sure. This is like artificial hydraulic fluid canisters. Pretend batteries and engine components there.
So,
and there's a little something stuck in here too, but I don't know what it is. So anyway, your receiver is in the front end here. Let's flip it upside down. Battery compartment is here. So there's a little switch here to unlock the tray, which you slide back and up. And there's this piece, clip and open. And of course our little instruction, batteries, warnings, tires, something about the tires. We'll read that after. And if you look, here's where you actually plug in your batteries, and then you double stack 2 3-cell batteries there. Put this back on.
Just to show you guys how undurable it is when it's not on the roll cage. It's pretty wobbly.
So that's the truck. She is gorgeous. I am completely ecstatic. And I want to put this together and get out and play. Oh, now I got to put the body back on. So of course putting the body back on is the same way we took it off, in reverse. There, it's like a little puzzle. Now I know. Okay, so we'll put the screws back in. I want to mention that in all of our unboxings we talk about how unimportant this package is. This package only seems unimportant to us because we've been in the hobby for a while. If you're new to the hobby, make sure on your first truck especially, you read through the instruction manual.
Yes, I agree.
Because there are things that you do not know yet that are important and are in here and will help you from wrecking your truck or making errors that will cause injury or maintenance issues on the truck. And if you wreck your truck due to your own negligence, you may have a hard time getting any replacement parts or any help from the customer service department at Traxxas or whatever other brand you're dealing with. So again, like I said, if you're a beginner, make sure you go through it. Our first 6 trucks, we read the manuals front to back because we had no idea what was going on. Now we own enough trucks, and especially with Traxxas, we own quite a few Traxxas trucks. We know what's in here, so we don't think it's important.
The majority of them are.
And realistically, on our channel, on an unboxing, this is what you want to see, right? I mean, let's be honest. This was a beautiful Father's Day surprise. Okay, so there's my truck. She's beautiful. I love it. What do you think? Dylan, do you want one of those?
Amazing. Yes, I would love one of these.
Really? Well, dun da da. And there's the rigid. If you guys have watched our channel at all, you know that a lot of the time we have to double up on everything. We love the hobby. And we focus a lot of our attention on this hobby.
This one's actually mine, so
yeah. Oh, we're gonna start. Well, anyway, so there's the rigid. There's the fox. They are beautiful. They are large. I really hope if these die out in the field that I don't have to carry Dylan's home, but I think I'm gonna have to.
Yes, they're very heavy.
Well, maybe we'll just get a leash and you can drag it home, right? We'll tie a leash to the back bumper.
I don't know if that's going to be very good for the vehicle.
No, okay. Well, I guess I'll be carrying it if we break down.
We could later on mount some wheels on the top. That way, even for when I that way when I want to take it home, I just tie a leash on and put the wheels on the top. Because then it wouldn't be good. Because wouldn't be bad because of the electronics.
Yeah. Okay, well, anyways. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing. And until next time.
Don't forget to smash that like button. And also, please subscribe. And while you're at the subscribing, hit the notification bell. Every time we upload a new video, you will get a notification. And also, don't forget to share this video.
Awesome.
So we'd really appreciate that.
Okay, so get out and play.
Bye-bye.
See you later.